Okay, good morning, guys. For the start, the FMC news, for the little knowledge I have about it, first thing you do, you see my tab here, you search Forest Factory. Yes, www.forestfactory.com. You get the food, you load it. So once you load it, I want to use an example of what happened yesterday to explain to you guys. I want to use an example of what happened yesterday, 29. So you see the news. These are news from Thursday, June 29, 12 a.m. to 2 a.m., 2 a.m., 5 a.m. all day. So these are the news and their time. So the ones coloring yellow does not have much impact in market, in the crypto or forex market does not impact. But the ones that have red, most of them that is coloring red have major impact in the crypto market and forex. The red ones has impact in forex market, depending is euro or Japanese, all those stuff. Then you see that JPB. But the one that affects crypto mostly is the one that have USD dollar. This one you see 1:30 p.m. yesterday. It affects both crypto and so now for this one now we'll go to 1:30 a.m. Once we go there, we can see that the forecast USD final GBD Q something. I don't know how to explain details on what they actually, but the up understand is that once the news is coming out, you will see the previous price or capacity on this final JDP. The previous news that came out was that it was 1.3%, and once it's 1.3%, and then now they are forecasting that it's going to be 1.4. That means dollar will be stronger. They are predicting that dollar will be stronger. In the previous market, dollar was weak. It was 1.3. So they are predicting that dollar, this news is going to come out strong for dollar. The news that they will be releasing by 1:30 p.m. will make dollar be strong. And when the news came out, it came out 2.something%, which means it came out even stronger than what they bargained for. That means dollar is strong. Yeah, I don't understand you get the concept. The last news that came out, it was 1.3. So then they analyze the market and say, based on the news that is coming out, that the news that is coming out is going to affect dollar in 1.4%, and it's going to make dollar strong. But actually, it came out 2.4. It came out even more than what they expected. It came out stronger. And in this news aspect, once dollar is strong, based on this news, once dollar is strong, it means that anything, any trade, any pair going against dollar is going to be weak. In that aspect, once dollar is strong, any pair going against dollar will be weak. That means anything you're trading on crypto, on forex will be shortened. It will go down. This is just the basic concept of what I understand. They predicted the news 1.3. They forecasted, and the last news that came out was 1.3. They forecasted 1.4. That dollar will be stronger. When the news came out, it came out 2.0. That means dollar is going to be very strong, and it's supposed to affect the market, and it actually did. So let me take you guys now to the chart. If you see this is gold. This is gold, and let me move to yesterday. That news came out 1:30. But you know, I'm thinking the time frame in this trading view and that of that place is not the same. You know, the time frame differs. That was even trading here, but the time that they were showing me I was not the exact time. So time differs. So you can see from this point that after the news came out by 1:30, this is gold. Gold short for a very long time. It shorted. It because dollar was strong and gold is going against the US dollar, as you can see from above. Gold is going against US dollar. So at that point, that period when that news came out, it dragged it down. That is the impact. Once anything is going against dollar and dollar comes out strong in the market, it's going to affect the market. Anything going against is going to go down. Let me check on that same time frame if it also had the same impact on euro. Okay, let's say if this is almost the same time. You see, it's exactly the same period when the news came out that dollar was strong. Everything had a downward impact.